was filled with growth, challenges, and meaningful milestones.
And none of it would have been possible without you.
As we move forward into a new year, we do so with deep gratitude.
For everything we have learned and achieved together,
And with hope for opportunities that lies ahead.
our shared commitments to growth, collaborations, and excellence
Drives us to achieve even more together in the years to come.
As this year comes to a close, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who made this journey possible.
To our sponsors,
Thank you for your trust and unwavering support. To our families and friends, thank you for your constant encouragement and belief in us. We also extend our appreciation to our partners, teams, and community for walking with us every step of the way. Thank you, and cheers to a brighter year ahead. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Alpha Dance Sports Team Davao.
Maraming salamat sa taong lumipas, sa bawat biyaya, sa bawat pagangat. Magkakahawak kamay, iisang tinig, pasasalamat ng Alpha Dance Sporting Davao. Sa Diyos ang papuri, sa kanyang dangal, sa bawat hakbang siya ang gumabay. Sa bukas na darating, di mangangamba, dahil Alpha ang kasama, Alpha ang pamilya. Maraming salamat sa taong lumipas, sa baong pag-asa na ating harapin. Mas matatag, mas buo, mas handa, Alpha Dance Sporting Davao.